Your value realization, organizational model, and support structure is foundational, and one of the critical success factors for a company to ensure your program drives customer value-based business outcomes. Two additional critical success factors of mention are your program being a company-wide effort and that it has CEO and senior leadership sponsorship. Super excited that this is the topic for our next Value Management Track workshop as we continue to support our overall theme of how to get momentum around value management. My name is Rob Dapaah, Director of Digital Business Strategy and the Global Value Realization Lead at New Relic. Looking forward to another great interactive discussion with sharings of how our ecosystem's members have designed their organizational model and support structures. I'll also share the best practice approach used at New Relic, covering topics such as who owns what, how the different roles interact, and cross-functional alignment to support product, marketing, sales engineering, and customer success. Thank you again, and looking forward to our discussion.